Hi, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can install this cool bidet attachment made by company Veken. It's a small attachment that you can install to any existing toilet, and in the package you receive bidet, brass T connector, a hose to connect to the water line, two adjustable connectors that go right here, rubber washer, Teflon tape, 3 toilet washers, and of course instruction. This bidet attachment is going to go on top of the porcelain toilet. So in order for this part not to slip, you will have to attach those non-slip rings on both sides of the attachment parts. Of course, before installation, make sure you turn the water off. In the first step, attach the hose to the T-bracket. Then put this washer inside, facing down, and I'm gonna attach it to the bottom of the toilet just by turning on this ring. Then I'm gonna connect the water source from the bottom. Also, this is gonna be hand tighten connection, and we're gonna be ready to connect the other part of the hose with the attachment of the bidet. Next, we put those rings inside. This is how we're going to adjust it on the toilet. Make sure the rubber non-slip gasket is installed on the bottom. Now, adjustments on those rings are going to be dependent on type of toilet you have. And on my toilet, they will have to face this way. It all depends on your toilet design. In one of the last steps, you need to connect the water supplying hose to the bidet, tighten that, then we're gonna be ready to test it. Now we have the options to clean a rear tushy or go a little bit more to the front for the feminine parts. So I'm gonna try to turn, there we go. Nozzle number 1. Pressure is pretty good. Nozzle number 2. Wow, pressure is great. So the bidet is really easy to use, very easy to install. The one thing that I'm not really crazy about is that this part is kind of thin. So I'm hoping that it is gonna be sturdy enough and it's not going to break. So this is the only thing that I might have improved. And this is kind of moving a little bit. Not too bad. Seems to be sturdy. I have 2 other bidets in my house, a little bit more expensive. This is a really not inexpensive attachment that you can use on any toilet. And so far it works great. Remember that the water coming out of the nozzles are gonna be the temperature of your tap water. If you need warm water, you have to buy something else. But so far, I like this one and it's very easy to use. I just bought it from my mom. I think it's a great present. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.